Alright, Grail Punt number 598 for Mick Krazzoli, which is Invincible Iron Man number 9, first full appearance of Riri Williams. Let's come in here and timestamp. That is showing 6:12, and it's 6:12 in WA on Wednesday the 16th of December. Let's have a look at that list which I've already taken. We got spot 1 is Tim, and spot 86 is Ben. And we've got spot 1 there is Tim, and go down spot 86, which is Ben. And we'll roll the dice. And we got 6, 12, 13. Alright, let's get started. Good luck, everyone. Hit Mick up when the winner sees this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, double check it's 6, 12, 13, last one. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Alright, let's have a look at who the winner is. And the number 1 with spot number 9, Blake McClucas. Congrats, mate. Hit Mick up, and that was 13 times, 6, 12, 13 times. Let's get another timestamp here. No. Okay. Time is 6:14 WA time, 6:14 WA time on the 16th of December. Thanks, everyone.